Hi everyone, I'm Rachel here with Duoform to show you how to assemble our new face shields. So, our face shields are reusable. When you receive them, you're going to receive 3 different parts. The face shield being 1, piece of foam 2, and the Velcro is 3. You will also receive a little insert on how to do the instructions, but this is just kind of a foolproof way to make sure that you understand how to put it together. Okay? So first, you're going to take the Velcro. There's 2 Velcro dots here. So there's a piece of foam. You're going to take the piece of foam and insert it right there. Okay, and this is easily put in. It's also easily taken off in case it gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. And then you also take your Velcro backing. It's all one piece. So you take the rough side, place it towards you, insert it on the inside of the loop here. Do the same on the other side. Okay, and then your forehead is going to go up against the foam here. The back of the Velcro is going to hit the back of your head. Okay, so take it nice and tight here. Put it around your head. And then pull the Velcro so it's nice and tight, and then adjust accordingly, and there you go.